Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about hydropower and solar power. Today we will study about other types of renewable resources. Wind power. Since ancient time, wind power has been used to grind grains and pump waters. It has become important now due to the storage of fossil fuel, the high cost of petroleum, and also because of the pollution caused by fossil fuel. Wind is a renewable energy and is also free. Since ancient time, wind power has been used, but now its importance has been increased to preserve our non-renewable resources. Wind is a renewable energy. It can be used again and again. The use of wind for electricity generation has been increasingly rapidly and is estimated that the wind power would eventually replace all fossil and nuclear fuel. Nowadays, use of wind power has been increased and it is estimated that after a few years, wind power will eventually replace all fossil fuels and nuclear fuel. In Denmark, 20% of electricity is generated from wind source. The other leading countries are Germany, Spain, US, India, and Italy. In India, wind power accounts for about 8% of the total installed power capacity of the country. It ranks 5th in world wind power capacity. Rank of India in wind power generation is 5th in world. Wind accounts for 1.6% of the country's total electricity production or consumption. It means 1.6% of the total production or consumption is fulfilled by the wind. Tamil Nadu has the highest number of windmill. Second is Gujarat. Nuclear power. Nuclear technology uses a fuel called uranium, a relatively common material. Nuclear power is generated from a fuel called uranium. Energy is released from uranium when an atom is split by a neutron. The uranium atom is split into two, and as this happens, energy is released in the form of radiation and heat. This nuclear reaction is called the fission process. This particular source of energy production has numerous advantages and disadvantages. Along with the advantages, there are some disadvantages also. Advantages of using nuclear power. The amount of electricity produced in a nuclear power station is equal to that produced by a fossil fuel. The amount of electricity produced by the other renewable resource like solar energy, wind energy is very less as compared to the energy produced by a fossil fuel. But in case of uranium power, the energy produced is same as the energy produced by fossil fuel. Second is they do not burn fossil fuels to produce electricity and hence they do not produce damaging or polluting gases. While generating nuclear power, they do not produce any damage or polluting gases. Third is it is also believed that this type of power is eco-friendly and clean. It is eco-friendly means it doesn't cause any harm to the environment. Disadvantage of nuclear power. Nuclear power is a controversial method by producing electricity. Many people and environmental organizations are very concerned about the radioactive fuel it needs. There are some disadvantages also. The use of the production method of nuclear power is quite controversial because many people, many organizations, they are very concerned about the fuel which is required to produce nuclear power. Second is the radioactive waste remain radioactive, dangerous for thousands of years and is currently stored in places such as deep caves and mines, which is both costly and extremely dangerous. After generating the nuclear power, the remains of radioactive waste, the remains of fuel are very dangerous. which require deep caves and mines for dispose, so which is very costly and extremely dangerous. Next is many people living near the nuclear power station or waste storage depots are concerned about nuclear accident and radioactive leak which are damaging to health both in the short and long time spans. The people who are living near to the nuclear power station or the waste storage are suffering from different kind of health diseases. There are more than 440 nuclear power plants across the world that account for 17% of the world electricity in 30 countries. In 30 countries, there are more than 440 nuclear power plants. In France, 78% of the electricity is generated by the nuclear power, while Lithuania have about 80% of its electricity from nuclear source. The leading producers of nuclear electricity are Lithuania, France, Slovakia, Belgium, and Sweden. All these countries are located in Europe. In India, uranium is mined in Jharkhand, and the nuclear power plants are located in Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Rawatbhata in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapara in Gujarat, Kaiga in Karnataka.